The quality of repairs on rebuilt cars can vary depending on several factors, including the skills and expertise of the repair technicians, the availability of genuine parts, the extent of the damage, and the resources allocated to the repair process. Here are some factors that can influence the quality of repairs on a rebuilt car. Repair facility and technicians. The competence and experience of the repair facility and technicians performing the repairs play a crucial role in the quality of the work. Reputable repair shops with skilled technicians who have expertise in handling rebuilt cars are more likely to deliver high-quality repairs. Parts use. The use of genuine or high-quality aftermarket parts can contribute to the overall quality of the repairs. Using substandard or salvage parts might save costs but can impact the safety, performance, and longevity of the rebuilt car. Structural integrity. If the car suffered structural damage, such as frame or chassis issues, ensuring proper alignment and structural integrity is vital. Precision in repairing structural components is essential to maintain the car's safety and handling characteristics. Electrical and mechanical systems. Rebuilt cars may require repairs or replacements of electrical and mechanical systems, including the engine, transmission, braking system, suspension, and other critical components. Thorough diagnostics, proper repairs, and calibration are necessary to ensure the reliable and safe operation of these systems. Cosmetic repairs such as bodywork, paint, and interior restoration can significantly affect the aesthetics and value of a rebuilt car. Attention to detail, quality craftsmanship, and the use of appropriate materials are important factors in achieving a visually appealing result. Inspection and certification. Rebuilt cars often undergo inspections by designated authorities or certified mechanics to ensure they meet safety and roadworthiness standards. The thoroughness and reliability of these inspections can influence the confidence in the quality of the repairs. It's important to note that the quality of repairs on a rebuilt car can vary even within the same vehicle model or repair facility. Due diligence is necessary when considering a rebuilt car purchase. Conducting a thorough inspection, obtaining repair documentation, reviewing the vehicle's history, and seeking professional opinions from trusted mechanics or automotive experts can help assess the quality of repairs and make an informed decision. Additionally, obtaining a vehicle history report, such as a Carfax or AutoCheck report, can provide valuable information about the car's past damage, repairs, and ownership history. This can help you understand the extent of the repairs performed and assess the overall quality and integrity of the rebuilt car.